Qingdao HF Industry Company Limited is one of the most professional supplier and exporter for block machinery and technology. Our company is located in Qingdao City, Shandong Province, and our cooperated factory has 3 manufacturing bases that cover an area of 500 acres and a plant construction area of 100,000 square meters. We are always developing advanced products to international standards to meet our customers' demands. We also accept ODM and OEM order. A wide range of possibilities are available from a simple block making machine to a fully automatic production line with block cubing and curing system. We can offer our customers all types of solutions with various machine models. We have exported to more than 116 countries such as Philippines, Russia, Egypt, South Africa, Ghana, Oman, India, Armenia, Israel, Chile, etc., and have an exceptional high reputation from our customers. We cooperate with Siemens for motors and PLC intelligent control system, Schneider electrical equipment, and Yuken for the hydraulic operations to ensure our machines have the highest quality standards. With stable working status, and our company obtained ISO 9001 certificate. We have experienced technician to ensure superior installations, and after-sales service to assist customer, to install the machine, and to perform the proper training abroad. We warmly welcome customers from all over the world come to visit our factory and discuss long-term cooperation.
Hello everyone, my name is Bob and I'm from Commodity Distributors, and we are the agent for HF Industries for Mexico and Latin America. They make quality product, deliver on time, and have a great after-sales department. Please contact us and see what we can do. Thank you for your time.
We are Qingdao HF Industry, manufacturing intelligent block machines, and our after-sales service is exceptional. We will